the set
Oh,
of
my bad.
CDJ.
Can't resist the drums.
Hi,
I was just
Jesse.
at the middle show last night.
They're too satisfying. Satisfaction. The drums are satisfaction.
A day before CDJ, we are on the set of where CDJ is going to be taking place this year. A little different, but it's gonna be a great CDJ. There's JJ.
Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Isn't it so cool? We're super excited. It does. Just a little behind the scenes of our setup for tomorrow. CDJ 2024, first day tomorrow. There's Michael setting up. There's Andrew.
We out here. Got the main drummer in the house, JJ. Over tonight.
Woo!
And Saturday night. And Sunday night.
And Sunday night. There's Eric. Where's Jesse at?
Oh, I think he
Oh, he's probably ooh, he's over here. It's all cute. Oh. Okay. Oh, there's Jessica. There they are. There's Jessica. There's Danny Reese. Woo, woo.
Second door to your right.
JJ's giving us a little tour. Alright, well this is it. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow, first day. There's Jessica again.
I know. There's also one more room we didn't explore.
What? Okay, JJ, we're gonna close out the video. Do you want to say something? Okay, what do you have to say?
Whatever those viewers are watching these, thumbs up.
Everyone, let's do Chosen again, just to run the signal. You can't hear me? Hello? We're good.
And I don't have a mic.
You know, we out here. We just did the sound check. You know, we're playing for this lovely audience. You know, that's
Amen.
coming in tomorrow. We're excited. We're excited.
Yeah.
I'm hyped.
Everyone's excited.
I'm running off 4 hours of sleep, but I'm
Dang.
doing good.
It's alright.
We're
It's
doing
alright.
good.
It's all for the Lord.
Exactly.
We are officially done with soundcheck. Alright, close. Huh?
Did you send me that one video that you took?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, hold on.
See that camera.
Alright, we're officially done with soundcheck.
Not yet, not yet.
We're not?
No,
It's just for
sound
the
check.
camera. It's just for the camera.
You're for the camera.
We are done with soundcheck.
But we're not.
All right, we're officially done with sound check.
Yes, we are. We're heading home right now. Let's go.
We're heading home, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. All right.